Hi, welcome to my platform. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location or anytime you are meeting this video on YouTube. In case if it is your first time and you like what I do here, after watching, subscribe, put on your notification bell. Set it to all notifications so that you will be able to get notified each time I upload a new video. And what do we do in this platform? We react to all forms of video, local, international, especially in Biafra land and in Nigeria. How we do it, we present the video, we introduce it, then we sit down there to watch it together with you from the beginning to the end. Then later we'll go to the comment section to air our mind. You are free to criticize, you are free to air your mind, but let us always do it constructively so that nobody will be offended. So Igbo ndị ọma na-ege ntị, ekene m unu, ụmụnne m ndị njem ọnụ na Asanachi una Bonachi. My lovely family, you people are now my family. I appreciate your massive support. I love and cherish each and every one of you. Never take your support for granted as we watch this video.
Crisis in the local government. Please, please, tell him, I don't want this thing to go downstairs. He has been collecting results in every ward, including my own ward, where there was no election. They wrote results, and he's collecting every result. Please, you are representing the CP here. I will guarantee you peace.
There is an important man of God in this country. Very important. Very great. Very mighty. I saw angels packing his back for him. And if I talk like this, someone will say, hey, oh, this prophet, they have started. But I will say it the way I see it. I've been holding it. I saw angels. You see, when angels are packing your bags for you, I saw them, they're preparing this person. They're preparing this person. He's having a signal, but this person is refusing the signal. No matter how it happens, somebody can say, the righteous cannot die this way. The righteous can't go home this way. Quote me right. Don't forget this statement I am saying now. Because sometimes when we talk, this prophet have started, don't worry. Angels are preparing this person. This person is having the signal, but he doesn't understand. Even he himself doesn't understand the signal. He's giving it all the fight. Now, what I'm about to say now, what's today's date? 6th of November 2021, and it is 4:38 a.m. No matter how this person dies or is taken home, some people can say, it cannot be. A righteous person can't go through this way. The ways and the acts of God, they cannot be explained. They are mysterious. God can decide to take an elect. The elect just hits. Follow me. Hit just a table and fall. And they say it's the table. The elect can be in the car and something does happen. The leg can be in the air. Something does happen. Hey! It's not supposed to happen that way. This person is a covenant carrier. There are certain mysterious things. God is not dealing with the body. He's dealing with the spirit man and the soul. And the soul and the spirit can never be tarnished, even when the body looks scattered. It's a mystery. It's a mystery. It's a mystery. God cherish the elect, so that if God knows that the remaining 11 days of the elect can make the elect miss everything that he has labored for the kingdom, God will do anything to take his precious elect. What I'm saying now, can do nothing about it. I can do nothing about it. Put 10 million men of God with anointing together. We do nothing about it. It's the acts of God. The great leader of the Biafra, you know, I've not talked for a long time. God revealed to me, he will come out. He will come out. Under stringent conditions. He will be released. But will it change the ideology in the young man? No. Have said it, and I will repeat. Engage these people in dialogue. Gun, bullet, chains, prison will not change any matter. It will continue to aggravate tempers. Sit down and let us treat the sickness that is fighting the Igbo race. Deal with the injustice, and the symptoms will disappear. You know, I've been quiet. Even though those who keep him in detention doesn't want to leave him, there's going to be a point they'll be forced to release him. But that is not the solution. Catching him, keeping him is never. Get to the bottom of the root of this matter. Sit down with these people and dialogue. Oh, man of God, you don't know what you are saying. They will never dialogue. They will never. It's because we have not approached it the way we need to approach it. It is not about gun, not about bullets, not about prison, not about chains, not about felters. It is an ideology. It will need an intellectual engagement. It does not need gun. It does not need bullet. The problem of the Biafra, it's not the problem of gun and bullet. Sit at the round table and discuss. If we don't treat the problem that is before us, regime and regime and regime will continue to go and go and go, and there will be too many Nnamdi Kanus to deal with, not just one. It's a spirit. We need to engage. Injustice cannot be justified. Treat this issue. If I don't have the capacity as a government to do that, I can transfer the load to another government and deal with this issue quietly. But putting this person in prison, putting everybody in prison, it will never change the issue of Biafra. It has to do with an ideology. Is Ojukwu here today? No. But it started from him, eh? Is he not getting hotter than him? So if you kill the leaders, you will not kill the spirit. Another one will rise up. Let's learn from history. How do we got here? How did we got to this issue of Boko Haram? It did not. It was a mere an ideology. It did not start with gun and bullet. It was religious movement. When you kill the leader, what happened? Some crazy people took it and they turned it to make you know you can't kill our leader and expect us to stay. Are we not having everything everywhere? Let's learn from history. You don't even know which one is the head, which one is the middle, which one is the tail. Because it has become a block that is forming head. Let's be very careful. Will it come out? Yes. This is not about me. It's not about those of government of the day or about anybody. And nobody is supporting this or that. But we are saying there must be peace in Nigeria. We must deal with the issue of injustice. Give Jesus a clap offering.
Thank Thank you so much for watching this video together with me. Like I said before, if it is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel and you like what I do, please subscribe, put on your notification bell, share this video, leave your comment in the comment section. You are free to criticize, but let us do it always constructively. Remain blessed. I appreciate your massive support and I love and cherish each and every one of you. Until I meet you again in my next video, for now I will say bye-bye.